2012 Honda CR-V EXL rear brake pad change. Bought the Dura Elise brake pad, ceramic, for about $65 at AutoZone. You need a ratchet, 12mm socket to take off the brake pad pins. Air ratchet if you have one. 3/4 socket to break off your bolts. And put your jack in your jack stand. Rear brake pad change. Goes ceramic, $65. Ceramic brake pads. 2012 Honda CR-V EXL rear brake pad change. You put the part in the caliper, just push it in. It just goes in the caliper hole. It should push in real easy. No need to bend them or put grease like other people. This is the new part. Here I just replaced these shims. Here the box didn't come with this shim there, so I'll leave it. But here you go. Slides in, slides out, perfect. Now to put back the caliper. Just push back on these pins and it should slide in with no problem. There you go. Then you align to put the bolts for the pins. Some people grease them up. I don't know why. They're short bolts. They didn't have grease to begin with, but that'll be all right without the grease. They didn't have grease anyway. Put back the bolts for the caliper. The 12mm socket is better than the wrench, and just tighten it as much as you can. Put back the tire. It's the same on both sides. Whatever you learn on this video will be the same for the other side. And don't forget to put the cap back on your brake fluid. And then go ahead, pump it 3 times until the brake tightens up. And you should be ready to go with some new brake pads. 2012 Honda CR-V EXL ceramic brake pads from AutoZone. Ceramic I recommend because they last longer and they're better quality brake pad.